Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Kavitha's Beauty Tricks on YouTube and this is Kavitha. In this video, I'm going to tell you how exactly you can have pink lips naturally and remove all the darkness which is there on your lips. Before beginning with the video, I would just like to tell you why exactly your lips becomes darker. The first reason because of which your lips becomes darker is if you're smoking or if you consume alcohol. Now while smoking or while consuming alcohol, it directly affects your lips, because of which you tend to have darker lips. The second reason because of which you get darker lips is because of licking your lips every now and then. Putting out your tongue and touching your lips like this, that tends to make your lips become a little bit darker than it is normally. So always stop licking your lips every now and then and start applying a lip balm or a lip tint or lip crayon, so that you don't lick it every now and then. The third reason because of which your lips get darker is applying too dark low cost lipsticks. You heard it right. Now I had this issue initially when I was just introduced to makeup. Okay, I was not really spending much of amount on the lipsticks. I used to buy about 50 rupees lipsticks and 100 rupees lipstick and used to apply it, because of which my lips got darker. And I made a study of why this had actually happened. Then I got to realize that because of having a very low cost lipsticks, because it has chemical in it, because of which you get dark lips. So always try to avoid cheap qualities or lower priced lipstick. Now the question arises, how exactly you can prevent becoming your lips darker. You can prohibit all the points which I said, and you can have pink lips. Otherwise you can also follow the remedy which I'm going to share you right now. Take a piece or a slice of cucumber and take a spoon of sugar, add a little bit of honey. Add little bit of honey on another side also, keep it aside. Now what you're supposed to do is clean your lips thoroughly and take this piece of cucumber, dip it in with the sugar as well as the honey mixture and scrub all your lips. Now what does this makes? This helps in peeling off the dead skins which is there on your lips. Cucumber is having the feature of lightening the scars and brightening the skin, so it will help in brightening your skin, lip skin, and also it will reduce the scars which is there on your skin. And the sugar as well as the honey will scrub and remove the dead skins which is there on your lips. The second step is to apply just raw honey on your lips, massage it a bit and keep it for about 20 seconds. Now what does this do is it just moisturizes your lipsticks and lips, and it just tries its level best to hydrate your lips. The third step which you can do is before going to bed, grate this coconut and take a pulp of it and apply it all over your lips. Now by doing this, it will give moisturization to your lip, and also it will make sure that the very next day when you get up, you don't have scars on your lips, and you can actually lighten your lip stain which is there on your lip. Now for some people, this remedy may work instantly. Within 2 applications itself, they may get rid of the dark spots which is there on the lips or the stain which is there on the lips. But for some people it may take some time, so make sure that you're doing this constantly every week, at least twice, and you will see a massive results within a very short span of time. Also, I forgot to mention, apply a lotion which is having SPF on it on your lips. Now the best thing is you can apply lip balm which is having SPF 15 or more than that on your lips, because this will help in protecting your lips from the sun rays, because of which you might not get more damages on your lip. And also before applying any sort of lipsticks, apply a lip balm, because this will help in protecting your lips from the chemical which has been applied on your lips, and it will help you not to have this issue anymore in future. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel because it's free, and also it just makes my day. If this video was helpful, then please don't forget to share it as much as people you know, and also with your friends and family members. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.